Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name is Ben. In this video we're checking out these TrueFree open ear earbuds. Okay, so I've reviewed many earbuds on the channel so far. Got the A90 Pros, which are still, or were actually, the world's best. There are some different ones now. I will link up to the other ones that we've done on the channel previously. But there's tons of different earbuds out there. Some a lot cheaper, some more expensive, some are kind of in the middle. But value for money wise, we're trying to find the best ones out there that you can buy, mainly on Amazon. These are another pair that we've been sent. These are from TrueFree. These are wireless earbuds. And these aren't earbuds that actually go inside the ear. These are ones that sit around the ear and fire the audio into your ear. So great for like cycling, running, maybe in the gym, or anywhere really, where you've got an open ear earbud where you don't have, where you're not blocking the audio. So you've got obviously audio in your environment, but obviously you're still playing your music straight into the ear. So different type of earbud. Some people might not like it, but what we're going to do in this video, we'll get them unboxed, see what they're like, see what the quality's like, and then we'll try them on, see how they fit on my ear as a glasses wearer as well, just to see how that works, see what the audio quality is like, see what the volume's like, things like that, and we'll give them a really good review. So first of all, let's get inside the box and see what they're like. Okay, nice simple design on the box, obviously shows you what it is, nice orange colour, we like orange at Houston DIY. So we'll flick this box up, slide this box open now, see what is inside. Okay, so we've got just a little leaflet there just showing that there's an application for these earbuds, which we will get soon. And there is the case, so quite a big case. Obviously they are physically bigger than a standard earbud because they're going round the ear, so there's kind of more hardware to them. That's the case. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got the user guide, which is there, multiple language user guide. We'll have a flick through that in a moment. And a small accessory box too. Let's see what we get in the accessory box. Nothing other than a cable. So we've got a charging cable, which is USB type A to USB type C. These will obviously charge inside the case. There is a USB port on there to charge the case. And then the earbuds are charged using the case. So you can see, hopefully on that camera, if I show you there, it looks like there is some charge inside this case already, and there are the earbuds inside of there. So let's grab one of these out and have a look at it physically, see what it's like. So on the box, you've got, let me show you so you can see on that one, you can't because it's black, but there's a left and right indicator showing you which is which in terms of inside the box. So if I pick up the, let's go with the right one. Okay, so then we've got the right one there. So if I just show you on this camera, hopefully you can see it. You've got this tiny speaker grill there, just on the edge of that earbud, just there. So that will obviously fire the audio into the ear. This part here sits around the ear, and the back bit there, which I assume maybe has some battery in it as well, that kind of just secures it around the ear. So we'll try this on now. I'll try it with my glasses just to see how it fits. I'll take my glasses off first of all, actually, just to make sure I can get it fitted. Okay, so that naturally sits like that there. I can feel that the actual speaker is firing into the ear kind of there. And I'll put the left hand one on as well. Okay, so they fit. There's a little bit of a wobble if I shake my head vigorously, but they're not going to fall off. Even if I tip my head side to side, they're not going to fall off, or upside down, I don't think they'd come off. So that does secure it around the ear. Let's just make sure I can wear my glasses with them. So they do clash a little bit with the glasses, but again, they're not going to fall off or anything like that. My glasses aren't going to fall off. So there you can see them, hopefully on that camera over there, both sides on there. So what we'll do now is I'll pair them up to my actual phone. We'll play some audio through and see what the kind of user experience is like with them on. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them into pairing mode. I've had a quick read of the instructions. On the first page, it tells you how to pair it. So I'll open the box up now. I'll show this camera over here. Hopefully you can see that. There is a button on the inside of the case there. And it mentions to press and hold that for 3 seconds, which I'll do now. So I'll press that button. 1, 2, 3. And I can see that the actual earbud or the left, they're both actually lit up now and in maybe in pairing mode. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so they're now in pairing mode. So what I will do, I'll go into my mobile phone. We'll see if we can pair them without the application to start with. Let's do that first of all. So I'm going to go into my phone. I'll do a screen record so you can actually watch what is going on. So a screen recording on my phone. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings. I'm going to go down to available, and you can see the TrueFree O1 at the bottom there. I'm going to click on pairing, to pair. I'm going to pair, and we're successfully paired. Hopefully you can see there we've got connected for calls and audio, and we've got 80% battery remaining there. So that's all paired up now. What I'll do is I'll just give them a few minutes just to charge a little bit more, and then I'll try them on and we'll test some audio out with them and see what the actual experience is like. Okay, as I mentioned when I opened the box, there is a little slip on here that advises there is a TrueFree application. So I've downloaded the application onto my phone now. What I will do is I'll do a screen recording just to show you the application, what you can do in there. And there is a couple of extra additional things you can do in the app just compared to being paired with Bluetooth. So you can see the application here. Basically, I installed it, I registered, connected the earbuds up, and now it's obviously detected that the earbuds are there. So you can see on the main screen, you've got an indication of the battery at the moment. It's 81 and 82% left and right. There's some basic function or basic settings you can do here. Okay, so you've got dual device connectivity. You can actually connect these to two devices, or pair them to two devices. I don't think you can play to from two devices at the same time, but there's a memory in there to be, if you've got a phone and a tablet or phone and a PC, you can have them dual paired, so you can flick between the two. It covers all that information in the instructions as well, just how to do that. So that's that. You've got disabled touch, so these are touch controlled. And if you don't want to touch to control them, you can turn it off. If you're accidentally touching them all the time, that's great, that's an option. Gaming mode, got on there as well. Custom touch, so you can tweak the default settings, which are covered here, but they're also covered in the instructions around click and double click, etc. So if you want to change those, you can do that within the application, which again is great. There are other earbuds out there where you can't do that. It's just fixed and you can't change that, so that is good. You've got a very basic equalizer, so you can customize it. You can do a custom equalizer setting, or adaptive, etc. So I won't touch any of that for now. We'll just use them as they are. Further settings in here, you can see you've got the product name, the address, what version it's on, obviously the language you want to use there, relaxing concert hall setting. But the one thing I want to show you, at the moment you can see that it's on version 1.8. So if I click on that now, there is a later version available for these, so they do receive software updates or firmware updates, which is great. So I will do that now, I'll download that now and see if it works. And this should hopefully then install that update onto the earbuds themselves. So you can see that happening in real time there. I'll obviously speed this up, I won't show this in real time, but it's good to see that obviously TrueFree are supporting these earbuds further than just getting them out of the box, and there is a kind of an extra bonus in downloading and using the application. Okay, so that took around 2 or 3 minutes to download the software, obviously upload the software to these earbuds, and then upgrade. 2 or 3 minutes. I think the case rebooted, and now we're back up and working and connected in the application, hopefully you can see. So go to the settings now. You can see the product update, we're on 2.3 on the latest version of software or firmware, which is really, really good. So now we're ready to use them. You can also go through a tutorial here, and it'll show you how to use them and pair them. So if you want some more detail there, which is great. So what we'll do, I'm going to pop them both in now. Obviously I can't play the actual audio to you over the video, but what I will do is kind of show you what I'm playing. We'll go through the controls. Let me put these on without the glasses. That is one bugbear. Around putting these on, you kind of can't really put them on while you've got your glasses on, but they are comfy, they sit there nice and solid. Hopefully you can see there I've got the volume control now for the Bluetooth headset. Right, I'm going to go into YouTube Music, which is what I use. I'm just going to play some random songs. I won't play these over the video for copyright reasons, but we'll play them anyway and see what they're like. Okay, so I've turned that right down to the lowest volume before going off. And the audio is good, it's still quite loud to be honest with you. If I turn them up to full volume, okay, so I can still talk, I can still hear my own voice talking. You may be able to hear that music. Okay, so what we'll do now, I've obviously played the music. You may have been able to hear that over the video, possibly, but the audio, the sound level, in terms of volume, is really loud. I was apprehensive that they actually wouldn't be that loud, but that is firing the audio in there. When I was talking, I could still hear myself as well. I can still hear background noise as well going on, so there's no problems there whatsoever with that. I'm going to test out now the actual the 1-touch and 2-touch stuff. So on there it says that we need to, in the instruction booklet, for play pause, it's double tap on the multifunction button. So I'm going to double tap on the side, which I think is on this bit. There we go, so it's playing. Okay, so the controls work like anything with the earbuds. They take a little bit of getting used to. Some are more intuitive than others. This one it's just learning where to press it. So it feels like when you go to touch it, there's obviously a top section there which you don't press. It's on the side there. So you got like 1 touch on both of these. So one is volume down on the left hand side, and 1 touch on there does volume up. If you see on the screen there, just tapping up there. I don't tap too many times. And a double tap will then obviously play and pause the music. So that's playing now on there. And I press the double tap again, that pauses it. So that does work. Obviously you can control it using your phone or watch or any other way as well. And as you saw it in the settings, you can switch that off too. Okay, so I've done a few more minutes now, just listening to a bit of music. As I said previously, the volume up and down, the play and pause, takes a little bit of getting used to, I'll be totally honest with you. But once you've got the feel of it, it's just quite intuitive, really, kind of volume up, volume down, play, pause, stuff like that. You can turn it off, which is great if you don't want to do that and you accidentally keep touching them. But these are great in terms of maybe gym, running, cycling, because they're open ear and you can hear everything else going on, but the sound is really, really good. Then they're really ideal for those situations. I guess the only thing, you can obviously hear the audio as a person not wearing them. So if you're next to someone at high volume, you can hear them a little bit. They do fire quite closely into the ear, so it isn't as bad as some other alternatives out there in terms of the audio firing to another person next to you. So overall, really great product, really suitable for gym wear, running, cycling, as I mentioned before, general exercise, or if you're out and about walking perhaps on the commute and you still want to be able to hear everything going on around you, ideal for that there. Super comfy. I've walked around a little bit, they're not going to fall out these, they've got the hook around the back of the ear. Obviously great battery life as well, and you've got the included charging case which will keep these charged really nicely. You've got the added bonus of the TrueFree application as well, where you can do extra things on there in terms of setting, tweaking, and also downloading firmware updates. Okay, so that's been a quick fire look at these TrueFree earbuds, the wireless earbuds, the open ear earbuds. Really great product so far. Build quality seems really good. Sound quality is excellent. Obviously an alternative to standard earbuds that go inside the ear. These are firing into the ear. So hopefully you found the video informative, you've liked it. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any questions about the product, about something I've not covered, about a different setting I've not covered, anything at all, please drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments in there. If you want to follow the Houston DIY journey for more product reviews, tech reviews, giveaways, home DIY projects, and much more, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.